Welcome to DigiBuddy, and in this video I'll be explaining about the best Canva alternative that you can use for completely free. To use that, go to your browser and search for studio.plotno. Here you can see it's lot similar to the interface of Canva.
It also has most of the features that Canva provides. First, on the left hand side, you can see templates. Here you will get any template that you want. But since it's completely free, you don't have premium templates like Canva does.
On text, you will see all kind of fonts which is very similar to that in Canva. Let's add one to our canvas. On photos, you will find all kind of stock photos. And similar to that of Canva, it is also provided by Unsplash. So let's search for a dog image and add it to our canvas. We just have to hold and drag it to our canvas. So next is icons. Here you will find a lot of icons which on Canva you would have to pay to get the premium. For example, let's search for YouTube, and here you can see there's a bunch of YouTube icons that you can use for completely free. Let's add one to our canvas as well. And next is shape, and here you will find some basic shapes that you could use for your projects. Now let's jump to upload. Here you have the option to upload images directly from your device. Click on upload image if you want to add images directly from your computer. Next is background. Here you will see a lot of backgrounds, and it is also provided by Unsplash as well. Let's search for a blue background. Same as we did with the photos, you just have to hold and draw to our canvas. Next we have is layers. If you are a Canva user, you already know what the use of layers are. It's the order of the elements that you have added to your canvas. Next we have is the resize option. So in Canva you would have to pay to get the premium if you want to resize your template in between your design. But here you can see it is completely free. You can even add custom resolution or simply click on any size that is already there. After you are done with your designs, click on download on the top right to save the file. Here you can select the file type. Currently it is PNG. You can adjust its size by dragging the bar to right or left. I am keeping it to be the default, and click on download PNG. And here you can see your image is downloaded. Let's open it. That's how you can use Canva for free. And that's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.